Hello and welcome back to our channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. In today's video, I'm talking about Christmas decoration ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. If you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I'm sure you will get amazing home decoration ideas at your home. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want to more home interior designs and home interior decoration for festival, Christmas, birthday decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing home decoration ideas at your home. You are I hope you are doing well today. In today's video, I'm talking about how to use different flowers for Christmas and different Christmas trees, and yeah, how you can decorate your home at the festival of the Christmas. So please guys, if you like any design, then please take a comment section and also do try my amazing decoration ideas at your home. So guys, let's keep trying today's beautiful collection of the Christmas festival. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you are doing great today. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden decor ideas and festival decoration ideas. Uh, you are a part of my YouTube family. You are not just a viewer. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope guys you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like. If you enjoy it, share your comments and they makes us smile. Let's keep growing and learning together. You are not just a viewer, you are a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden decoration ideas and festival decoration ideas. You're on the right place. I hope this video inspired you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. So guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Thanks a lot.